As I am in this industry for almost now 5 or 4 years, I think it is more than that. So I observe there are same patterns when we see movies. Okay, they have same patterns, and now the thing is converted into YouTube. Like YouTube algorithm or YouTube video is such a thing that we see the whole movie stuff is there. This is in the short form. Okay, like if I will give you example, when you see movies there is a frame changes. Now you are seeing me and suddenly they do zoom, they change the frame. Like now this is recorded from my front, and maybe they show the face from the left side or right side. So they are changing frame because they want to keep your attention, or they add hooks, or they change the scenes, okay, after every 1 to 2 second or 3 second. So they use sounds, they use such type of graphics, or they use a lot of things. So this is completely in the YouTube. Like YouTube tricks and tricks are same as the movie. Like once upon a time we see movies, we have to go to cinema to watch videos, then there is Netflix, and now this is YouTube. And now the convert, like people start watching short form. There are YouTube short, TikTok, but the algorithm, the base is same. If you think AI is coming, but the base is completely same. If you want to do a SEO, what you do, if you use AI, how will you do? Okay, you will give AI tools to do the SEO for them, or to analyze, or to audit the website. But the main thing, its keywords, its meta type, its description, its alt text, they all are the same that were in 1990, or they are in today's. So if there is AI, this can help you to do more, to make more content perfect, or to do all the tasks uh, with speed, or with putting your minimum effort. But you cannot say the thing is completely change, or AI is going to replace you, or no jobs will be available. Okay, this is not going to happen. The thing is that if you know how to use AI, or if now you have to be adaptable, you have to be agile. Like if there is anything upcome in the next year, or in coming weeks, you have to immerse yourself with that. You have to play with that. Okay, you have to settle in that environment within no time, within very short period of time. This is the key to grow in today's world. Okay, now we see there are a lot of tools are coming day by day, second by second, minute by minute. If you just google like how to record a video or YouTube video, you see there are thousands of videos that are teaching people how to record videos. So what is happening? If you think like whenever we go, or our student ask us question, or whenever we see people say, oh, there is huge competition. If there is competition, you have to be you have to fight for that. Okay, you have to fight for that. The competition is everywhere, in every field, in every aspect there is competition, but you have to face that competition. You have to increase your quality, you have to increase your quantity, you have to increase your employees or your leads. If you are generating leads, if once upon a time you get projects with 10 leads, but now you are not getting 10 leads, projects on 10 leads, then start making 20, 30. Your competitors are doing it 100, so you have to make sure you reach out to 150 pupils, because the competition is high. So this is for that video. If you have any question about digital marketing, business, comment below. I will make a complete video for you guys. Best of luck for learning, and subscribe to my channel.